even though the table looks much aligned, it doesn't look any good. So it is just stuck in a corner, and it is not the way it is supposed to look in a very good user experience website. So what we'll do is we'll try to increase its width. I'm gonna say width is 300 pixel. So it's just gonna increase the overall width of the table. Overall width of the table. So that's what I did in the table. Now, what if I need to increase the width of these separate places, right? So name is obviously bigger. So what we'll do is name will take 120 pixels. Places will take 120 pixels, and the left is, out of 300 pixels, the left is 60 pixels. To see, now that has been aligned properly with the appropriate widths. Now the TH that we see is on this row way. So one row has all the heading. So what if we want to change it horizontally? I'll show you another example where we change this horizontally. Now we could do name age place. So the same names could go this way: Raj, Sandy, John. We'll see what I'm trying to do in some time. 30. London. So instead of making this TH, this is going to be TH. Let's see if that works. Oh, so if you see in the second table, what I did was, this is one row. So what I did is I just changed the horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. So name, Raj, Sandy and John is basically one row. That's what you see here. Name, Raj, Sandy and John. The same way is age 24, 26, 30 and place. But the name, age and place is basically one column in each row. So where I changed that TD to TH. So you could also do the headings column wise or row wise. Okay, we'll see in another case where we have, let's say we have another name here. Name, okay, we'll just have something like first name, last name, say Raj Sharma, something that just came in my mind. So John Carpenter, we're able to do that. Now let me just resize this to say 50%. When I say 50%, it'll just take 50% of the body. What is the body? From here to here. So it'll just take 50% of the body. So the table size is 50% of the body. Now what I could do is, I could say that this probably take 25%. This takes a 25%. You could just do an equal one, or just keep this 10% and make this 35%. So altogether is has to be 100%. Yeah, it's been spread well. Now, what if I want to combine this and this, like as one cell? There will be cases like that. So what I need to do is, we have Sandy crawler. Okay, show you what I'm trying to do. Sandy crawler. So these are all like four columns and 4 columns and 4 columns. But if I just remove one column that I did here, I just remove the crawler from here and just combine it here. So this is basically 1 column, 2 and 3. So it's 3 here and 4 and 4. So what do you think will happen? See, it just messed it up, because what this browser will try to understand is align this to this to this to this, and then this to this to this and this. So last name Sharma 26 and Carpenter. So last name Sharma 26 and Carpenter. So to fix that, we have to say this column spans for 2 columns. So when I do that, the browser understands that this column will be equal to 2 columns of the other rows. So it will take a very good space of it.